oli ku BOCAT TV. Leero enkya Naruli. BOCAT TV.
Pastor District, the financial implications. Would you like to facilitate me coming back to a district? If you are willing to facilitate me coming back to a district, then we can have a deal. So would you like to fuel my cars as I come back into Rukunjiri?
I'm not in that deal.
Okay, if you're not in that deal, kindly do your job of protecting and serving.
That's what I'm doing, madam.
So who are you protecting?
You.
From what? From who? I would like to understand who you're protecting me from right now.
From you.
I am a danger to myself?
You may be a danger to yourself.
When? Where have you seen that? Because I've been in the newspapers lately and in the TV and in the radio.
So
where have you
madam,
seen?
The thing is, you're not proceeding to Rukunjiri.
Why? Give me real clear reasons why I cannot proceed to Rukunjiri.
Another candidate is there, and
another candidate
Give
is
me
there
flat
in all over.
What if
in all over Rukunjiri?
we have a
So you mean
Can
the
I see?
people at the electoral commission were really dumb to give us a program when some other candidate is in Rukunjiri?
Can I check?
So you want also to tell us that the Secretary General of NRM, who said that you
Can I check on today's program?
another part of is here. the
14th?
Secretary General of Rukunjiri.
What is the date today?
14.
Mitoma, Rukunjiri, Kanungu. So from Mitoma up to Rukunjiri, the police has tried to block us here on the way because there is another presidential candidate.
Sir, don't escort me to see the other police car. Oh, sir, I'm sorry. I told you. Why did you stop me?
As you can see, Mitoma district local government, we have been blocked by the police.
Well, the commander doesn't seem to understand the language I'm speaking. I am requesting to be taken to the police station. Can you remain here and then one of your officers takes me to the police station? I understand that, and I have told you that the last meeting we had, unless you've not been here and we were, I've explained what electoral commission.
you can liaise with those people. When that candidate is gone, I will allow you to go. I'll even take you.
So basically,
I'm not allowing you because there is another candidate.
so I'm going to stand here and wait with you until the candidate decides to leave the district, yet I can be in another part of the district and he's in another part.
You can be in another district, but not another part.
So how am I going to...
just pass Rukunjiri and go to Kabale?
There's no road.
Where?
This part here.
There is no road.
Yeah.
There is no way.
There's no way to cover there. This one goes to Rukunjiri.
And it stops in Rukunjiri.
No, you don't know. No, I work in Rukunjiri.
Why can't you leave us?
I can't leave you where I don't know.
You know what? I have been a peaceful candidate throughout this time. And all this time, we have met police officers and we've negotiated with them, and they understand.
I'm a peaceful officer.
You are not.
You are not a peaceful
Very
officer.
peaceful.
You're looking for, you're inciting violence because some of you are waiting for violence.
I don't
How
incite
can you park
violence.
a car like this and give orders for me to be blocked if you're not inciting violence?
We don't incite
Imagine you met a rowdy candidate. Do you know what would be happening here by now? Do you know why this car does not have tear gas? Because you know the kind of candidate you're going to meet. If you are going to meet any other candidate that knows how to incite violence, this is how you're reducing leadership in this country.
Not that we are.
You are reducing leadership to a point where people need to fight and flex with police officers. I'm not here to flex with you. I don't have the time to flex with any of you. I would suggest you lead us to the police station so that we can see how we can agree. Because if you're in charge, as I have been told that you're in charge, you should have, at least you should be responsible enough to call the police and say, we are coming with another candidate who is supposed to be in Rukunjiri district at the same time. What can we do? That is how a person who is meant to serve and protect behaves. Other officers have done the same thing. I don't see why you shouldn't. Some of these police officers, we have had a peaceful run all the way, and now a police officer, one police officer wants to spoil the whole name of the police. This is ridiculous.
Don't open.
Open for the taxi. You're punching these guys for nothing.
Huh?
You see how you're even annoying other people in the taxi. These people have business to do. You let them pass. What is the point of blocking other people from passing on my account? Please move this car so that the taxi can pass. I'm a decent human being. I am not going to. I'm very interested in these instructions, where they come from. So what has the police said? Who has said I'm not allowed to proceed? Can I talk to them? Then give me their number. You know, you're starting to insult my intelligence, and I do not think. Give me your boss's number.
Oli ku BOCAT TV leero enkya na luli BOCAT TV.